Hey there, everyone. Welcome to GMB Gorilla. This is Ask the Gorilla, and my name is Rody. And we're continuing our little three-part series on how to add an analytics tag to your Google My Business page. Now, this is the third part where we check your link in Google Analytics. Sorry about the really wordy title here, but it's actually very simple. Let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go back to our Google My Business page. And again, as always, I will leave all of these important links in the description so they're super easy to get to up here, business.google.com, right? So in our last video, in the first video, we created our campaign URL builder. And then in the last video, we copied and pasted that link right here to our Google My Business profile. Now you can see it's still under review, right? So I've already created this link on the other location for Ava MD. So it's already showing up in Google Analytics. Now, all we have to do is log into Google Analytics. So here I have it open in another tab. And here we are at the home page. So make sure you are at the website that you want to look at, right? In this case, avamd.com. Now, in order to see the tracking for your link, you're going to want to go down to where it says acquisition on the left-hand side. So click there. And you want to go down to the bottom where it says campaigns because we're looking for the campaigns that we're running with our links. Go down to all campaigns right here at the top and click there. And the page will change and it'll show you all of the campaign links that you have available for your website. So in our case, we made ours GMBG. If you remember, let's go back here. You can see at the bottom, the campaign name is GMBG, right? So you can see GMBG is here. And since I've already made it and I've already clicked on it a couple of times to test it out, you can see that it's reporting here. Now, I'm not going to get too deep into Google Analytics because there's a lot to learn. But this is essentially how you can start looking at the information available to your link that you created with the tracking here on Google Analytics. So that's it for today. Like I said, pretty straightforward. The first thing to do is, of course, sign into your Google My Business, check what links you need, create the link in the campaign URL builder here, and then the last thing you need is to copy it back in, and when you're ready, check it in Google Analytics. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you next time.